Measure and mark the thickness of your wood with your pencil and steel rule. Using your tri-square, draw lines at right angles to the wood edge at your pencil mark. Then put your wood in the vise and project your lines around the edge of the wood. Set your marking gauge to the required depth, in this case half of the thickness of the wood. Clamp a straight edge on your pencil line using the G-clamp. Use the tenon saw to saw down to the marked depth, checking on both sides of the wood to ensure your sawing is level. Repeat on your second line. Remove waste wood by chopping, using the chisel facing bevel edge down and tapping the chisel butt with a mallet. Now pare the wood. Turn your chisel flat side down and remove the last of the waste wood until you have reached your required depth. Fit the joint